What's up, YouTube? I'm here today to make a review about Gibson cutback exhaust for the Jeep SRT8. Yep, Jeep SRT8. So I was looking to buy a new or to upgrade the exhaust on my Jeep. I know there are a few options on the market. Some of them are real expensive. So if you are in a budget or something like that, Gibson is a good option. I was looking into some reviews. I didn't find really good reviews about this cutback exhaust. So I'm making this video today to help the Jeep SRT8 community to see if this exhaust is good for you or not. If you have the money to get a expensive one, a Sportla or Mopar, whatever, go ahead and get it. Yeah, I know the quality is better, whatever, but in my case, I can afford a $1,400, $1,500 cutback exhaust for my Jeep. So the Gibson is this is the Gibson 617405, I guess. It's supposed to be cutback stainless steel. So, but to be honest, it is stainless steel, but this exhaust is made from stainless steel 409 or 409 stainless steels. So on those reviews I found, I heard this exhaust tends to rust or looks ugly over the time. So what I did with my exhaust, I do ceramic and powder coating. I have my oven and all my equipment here in my garage. So I did ceramic coating on it, on black, on the whole system to prevent this to rust and also to help to keep the heat inside. Cerakote is a great product for this. Let's take a look under the Jeep before the startups. As you can see, I did the ceramic coating on the whole pipings, mufflers, and resonator. We go down here, show you guys. Yeah, my Jeep is still steel catalytic converters. Catalytic converters are still installed there. You can see down there. But yeah, I mean, installation wasn't pretty bad. But yeah, it's not a straight installation. You need to modify some stuff. For example, I need to cut this out. As you can see, I need to cut this out because the tips, they pop out too much. So that was before, probably over here. That was that much. There is still like a probably a half inch is still out, but I like it. I like how it flows. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna install the camera, my GoPro, right here. So I'm gonna drive around. Then I'm gonna move the camera to the interior of the Jeep. So, and in this way you are able to see the difference in and out. All right? Okay, so give me a second. Let's install this camera right here on the back. And let's go for the right. Nice. Let's right. Okay. So let's put it right here. All right, let's go for the right. All right, that was really fun. I love this Jeep. All right. And then again into the car. Yeah, it's hot. Let's turn the AC on. So the other thing people is complaining about this catback is about the drum. Yeah, it's on drum. It's on drum. I mean, it's not that bad, but yeah, definitely it's on drum inside the car. You can listen. You see, it's right there. Oh, it's a rumble. Oh. But yeah, I like it. I mean, for less than $700, I think it's a good option. I mean, as I said before, you can go with the expensive ones, a Sportlaw, or whatever other brands, but for less than $700, I mean, it's a good option. It's a good option. Gibson is not paying me nothing for this. I'm making this video because before I get this exhaust, I was trying to find, and there is almost nothing, no videos, not really nothing about this catback exhaust. So that's the reason I'm making this video, to show you guys. Yeah, I help you guys out to decide if it is a good option for you or not. If you can afford a big brand names, get it. It's not, I mean, this is good. So yeah, let me explain you something. This catback is real stainless steel, but why he get rust? The reason that this catback get rust is because it's made from 409 stainless steel. 409 stainless steel. The main difference between 409 and 304 stainless steel is the 409 stainless steel has more iron on it than the 304. That's the reason, because this thing to get rust over the time. So I love this thing. Look at this. Okay guys, if you like the video, please subscribe. I'm not a YouTuber or anything like that. The most of my videos are to help people choose different options. So I am the kind of guy that's always do a research about what I'm going to buy, and I hate when I go and can't find nothing. So yep, this is everything for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.